Hey everybody, I'm Jack from Halfroom. Today I'm going to talk about this. This is the DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo. And you may be wondering, is the Fly More Combo a good deal? Should we get it? Well, I'm going to kind of break it down and you can decide for yourself. Stay tuned. First, we need to understand what's inside this box. So I'm going to open it up and show you what's inside. Okay, so my initial thought was I'll do an unboxing, but you know what? If you're looking for an unboxing, you probably already saw that. So what you probably really want to know is, what do I get and how is it different than if I was just to buy the Air 2S? Is the Fly More combo worth it? So I'm going to walk you through what you get with the Fly More that you don't get with the Air 2S and how much it would cost you to buy individually. And I'll also talk about other alternatives and things you could buy instead or different places and things like that. So stay tuned and we're going to break this all down for you. Okay, so let's talk about the things you get that are in addition to what you would normally get if you just bought the $1,000 version of this drone. You're getting 3 extra sets of props, so you get 6 total pairs of props, $11 a pair, that's $33. You're getting this set of ND filters. It's a 4, 8, 16, and 32. Now this retails for $99. Generally, I'd say you get other ND filters, but I don't see them available quite yet. With the standard package, you get 1 battery, and the Fly More, you get 2 additional for a total of 3 batteries. Each one of these things is going to cost you $115 on DJI's website. This charging hub allows you to charge 3 batteries at a time. Now, we'll not charge them all simultaneously. It'll go from one to the next, which is convenient, but it won't charge them any faster. This is going to cost you $60. You also get this adapter. You plug the battery into this power bank adapter, and now this works as basically a power bank, so you can charge your phone or something like that. This thing is going to cost you $19. All right, so then there's this bag, $89 on DJI's website. So if you add up the prices of all these things, it's going to cost you $529 to buy them individually. Now the question is that actually a good deal? Well, $299 versus $529, yeah, absolutely. But are these all things that you need? For example, would you ever use this? I can charge my phone while it's in the controller. I just don't see this tiny little thing to be useful. Extra props are nice, but this isn't an FPV drone. I'm not going to crash this thing a whole lot. I don't need 3 extra sets of props. The ND filters are nice. $100 is kind of steep. Odds are you're going to be able to get a set from Freewheel or someone like that for about $50, so you could save some cash there. I found these batteries on Amazon for $98 a piece, so again, sure, you could save some cash that way. Now you can get a bag or a case. I'm more of a case guy. I kind of like to put everything in its own little spot. Now you can get a bag from anywhere between $20 and $100 and up. So you can kind of choose and have some flexibility. So should you get this Fly More package? Well, again, it comes down to what do you really need. If you're like me and you want a larger bag, something that can maybe hold a landing pad or maybe an iPad if you fly with something like that, you're not going to want to bother with that. And I hate buying things twice. So could you piece together a Fly More combo on your own? So do you need 3 batteries? If you need 3 batteries, you like the case, you're looking for ND filters right off the bat, yeah, the Fly More combo is the way to go. But could you maybe piece something together that's a little bit more suited to your needs if you have a little patience? And the answer to that is absolutely. So I go to Amazon and buy these for $100. You want to? That's $200. You find a case of your liking, right? Something that maybe suits your needs a little bit better. You spend $50, now you're at $250. That still leaves you $50 to buy some other accessories or things like that. This charging hub, pretty much you're only gonna get this from DJI. So if this is something you really want, go with the Fly More combo, right? But if this isn't a big deal to you, since you're only charging one at a time, and you should be watching your batteries as they charge, maybe you can forego this. So should you get the Fly More combo? That's a decision that you're going to have to make. I just wanted to kind of walk you through the pricing of it and kind of give you some other options. If you're looking for any of these things or anything you saw out here, we've got descriptions down below. They're affiliate links. They help support this channel. It doesn't cost you a thing. It'll just help us be able to continue to produce videos for you. I hope this was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. And if you want a free drone, we give one away to a lucky Patreon subscriber once a month. Hey, good luck everyone and happy flying.